Hello friends, in this session we will talk about hypothesis testing. So what is hypothesis? So let's understand it with a diagram. We have interest in the population data, so to study it we have drawn sample from the population and perform analysis on the sample data, like descriptive, inferential, exploratory in nature. After analysis we got some information from which we can make claims about the entire population. But these are just claims, we can't be sure that they are true. So this kind of claims or assumption is called hypothesis. Now let's understand what is hypothesis testing. Suppose we did our analysis on sample data and drawn some conclusion about population on the basis of information obtained. Now we need to test this claim or hypothesis because we are not sure whether they are correct or not. So these claims are tested, and these are tested to determine whether we have enough evidence to conclude if hypothesis or claim made on population parameter is true or false. So this whole process of testing the hypothesis is called hypothesis testing. Now let's understand types of hypothesis in hypothesis testing formulation. The first one is null hypothesis and the second one is alternate hypothesis. Now null hypothesis. It is a status quo, that means there is a prevailing belief about population, that is no change or difference in the situation. Alternate hypothesis, which challenges the status quo, that means it is just opposite to the null hypothesis. So let's understand null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis with the example. Amazon promises to deliver any item within 2 days under Prime membership. So what is the null and alternate hypothesis in this case? So the null hypothesis is item delivered within 2 days. As you know, it is the status quo. Alternate hypothesis, which is opposite of null hypothesis, is item is not delivered within 2 days. So this finishes our session. I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Thank you and happy learning.